Hello guys, and welcome back to this video. So in today's video tutorial, I'm walking you step by step on how to claim your Nodepay token, okay, to your OKX account or maybe to your DEX wallet using your phone. Okay, so everything I'll be showing you right here is how to use your mobile phone to be able to do that. All right. And before we proceed, all the details you need, the link to claim the airdrop and all of that will be in the video description. Okay, if you are on Telegram too, make sure that you check out the Telegram post and see all of that. All right, but the thing here is OKX is the only exchange that the Nodepay has made available for the listing of their token. All right, and if you're in Nigeria, it means that there's a problem that you may not be able to claim your token to OKX. And if you are going to use a VPN, I want to warn beforehand that you have to be careful, okay, because OKX may not allow you to withdraw your money even if you are using a VPN to achieve that. I have not tried it myself, but I have to tell you because OKX has cut off all services in Nigeria, and using their centralized exchange is no longer functional. So be careful if you are going to do that. Now Nodepay gives you two options. Is either you do the OKX and then when they get listed you sell, okay, or you do your withdrawals to on-chain withdrawals to maybe your MetaMask, your 𝗘𝗍𝗱𝗻 and all of that, okay, and that one will be available on the 17th, all right, on the day of the launching, on the day of the token generation event and all of that. Okay, so be careful if you are going to be using OKX. But with that said, let me just show you how to do that. Okay, for those of you who are not Nigerians, then this is how you'll be able to do that. Okay, now first you need to get the link. The link will be in the video description. I equally leave it in the comment section. Okay, you need to get the link for the claiming of the airdrop. Okay, I wonder why these guys didn't even put the link right here. Now don't go to the website, don't open that link on your browser if you are using your phone. Okay, don't open the link on your browser, just copy the link and then open your Phantom wallet or your 𝗘𝗍𝗱𝗀 wallet to be able to claim that. All right, so I'm using what I linked to my own account is Phantom, so I'm going to open the Phantom app on my phone, then I'll show you how to proceed from there. All right guys, so here I am on my Phantom wallet and the menus down here, okay, the buttons down here, the last one here is your browser, okay, the inbuilt browser inside of the Phantom wallet. Go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, you see the search bar at the top. Okay, click on it and paste that address that you copied right here. Once you paste the address there, go ahead and click on enter. All right, so once you paste your address and then you click on enter, it will load up this page. This is the page where you can use to claim your Nodepay token. All right, so once it loads up this page, you go ahead and click on connect wallet at the top there or connect wallet down here. Any of this one that you click will work. Okay, so you just go ahead and select Phantom. All right, so because I did this inside the Phantom wallet, that's why. Okay, just go ahead and click on confirm and you are good to go. Okay, so right here you can see the number of tokens that they gave me. Okay, because my Phantom wallet is what I link, you can see the number of tokens I have right here. Okay, now the next thing is that you have the option to claim this, all right, on the day of the TGE, okay, into your Phantom wallet, or you can claim it right now with 0 fee. Now don't actually be moved by this 0 fee and then go and do this on OKX. Every other person can do it, but if you're in Nigerian, please don't do it. Okay, even if you're using a VPN, I'm just saying to be on the safe side. Okay, but this one right here is not available right now at the moment, but this is the one you can go ahead and proceed with. So if your OKX is working and all of that, you go ahead and click on the chain off, okay, with the sex, and then you see OKX is the only exchange right here. So right here is where you will copy your OKX Solana wallet and paste here, and then you will need to input your OKX UID. After you paste your address and then your UID, the next thing is just to agree, okay, to all of these things that they said here, and then after that you go ahead and click on claim, and that will be it. Okay, just follow the on-screen instruction and then click on confirm, and that is it. Okay, so on the day of the listing, this token will be credited either a few hours or minutes before that time of the listing. It will be credited to your OKX account. Then once it's listed, you can now go ahead and sell it to USDT and withdraw your money and all of that. Okay, now if you are a Nigerian and the OKX is not working for you, then you need to wait on the day of the listing. That is when this particular one, okay, the on-chain claim and all of that will be available. That is when this one will be available. So that day you will now come in here and claim, but you will need some Solana. Okay, you will need a little bit of Solana in your wallet to be able to claim this. All right, so if this thing starts trading, and just like I got 11 points here, if the 11 point is worth it, then I can go ahead. Let's say if it costs me $5 Solana or $10 Solana as fee, and I'll be able to make either 10 times, 20 times of that from this, then I can go ahead and claim. If it is not worth it, then there's no need of claiming. All right, so that's how you do all of this inside of your Phantom wallet. All right, now if you want to do the same thing with 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗀𝗀, let's say 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗀𝗀 is the one you linked and all of that, open up the 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗀𝗀𝗀 app on your phone, and then you can see the browser icon right here. Click on it, and that address you copied, you go ahead and paste it here. Just the same thing I showed you on the Phantom wallet is the same thing you will do here, and you'll be able to claim your Nodepay token, and on that day you go ahead and sell it and all of that. Okay, that is it for this video, guys. If you have gained value from the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, why not subscribe? Okay, it doesn't cost anything and it will just take less than a second. Subscribe, okay, and then join us on Telegram to learn more. Right, join us on Telegram and take advantage of all the free signals I will share there. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video.